Hi friends, this video shows how to find all free shooter games in the PlayStation Store. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to games. Select games tab from top left corner. Go to PlayStation Store. Select it. Now we are inside PlayStation Store. Go to top. Go to right side. Select browse tab. Then go down. Now on left side you can see sort and filter option. Select it. Go to price. Here we have to select free. Go back, then select category. Go down, select shooter. Go back. See, now we are seeing all free shooter games available in the PlayStation Store. From here we can select one game, then select download. So that way we can download and install this free game in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.